Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of our van build series. Today we're gonna install all the wiring, or at least a lot of wiring.
It's a lot where it's going in the van.
So today we're gonna start, this is probably a process for a few days, but we're gonna start with the cable for our battery to battery charger. It's 16mm battery cable. It's more than enough. We have this twin core cable. It's 2.5mm thick. It's for the lights, the max fans, almost everything what is 12 volt in your van needed. We have an extension cable for our shut off valve from the gas. Some extra wiring. The blue cable is the one we need for 230 volts. Okay. Start, like I told you, with this 16mm battery cable for our battery to battery charger. We just ran this battery cable from the back under this plastic cover. This version has an extra fuse box, and later on we will connect this cable into this one, so it's pretty easy. Isabel now labeled our second max fan, which is going to be the one above the kitchen.
You lost the cable.
No. It's over here. Over here.
I see him here also. It's here. Not easy. A little bit more pushing. It's almost there.
30 minutes later.
We have the cable. No, 2 minutes later.
It was
less.
2 minutes later, yes. We are finished for today. I'm gonna order some extra cables because this 100 meter cable is already placed, and we have maybe 70-80% done of the job.
The last 3 weeks we were waiting for this stupid cable. This is the last job for our wiring. Everything is done. We just need to make one hole in the roof. And this is for our Wi-Fi
4G extender.
Yeah, 4G extender.
In the meanwhile, we insulated the van, so
It's changed a lot since the last video, I think, for you guys. But I'm not so good in explaining everything about the wiring, so Christoph will tell you more
what we did
done. Yeah.
so far. Okay. So we're gonna use this. It's Orion 12 volt to 12 volt DC to DC charger from Victron. For that, we ran a cable from the starter battery. It goes under this part. It's a 16 mil. You need 16 mil because otherwise it doesn't fit in these terminals. And it's more than enough for charging our batteries in the back. So that's the first thing we did. We ran another 10 mil cable for our heater, or what's the name of the heater?
S-pusher?
Yes, pusher, yes. Difficult name for me, but though. Oh, that's the second thing we did for under the seat. This is a little bit of a mess, but we have wire for the fans. 1, 2, everything is separated. So I will show you in a minute. These are all the lights. We have 5 in total going from the front to the back. Over here we already installed our cable for the S-pusher. It's the thermostat. On this side will be the kitchen, so we want 3 spots underneath the cabinets. This is for the spots. And this one is for the switch. We're gonna use this. Whoa. Wait, there's a car coming. Okay, he's gone. So we're gonna use these switches. You see them in many vans.
It's for dimmable
LED
LEDs.
lights. I bought it from Amazon, so I will link it down in the description. So on this side we're gonna have a cabinet.
Yeah, with
all the controls in. So the things we already bought are this. We have a switch for the inverter. I bought this one from Victron itself, but you can use any switch you want. We have also this. It's for our water tanks. This one for the 150 liter we have inside, and this for the grey water, which will be underneath the van. So also this needs 4 wires. You need positive and negative coming from the battery, and the signal cable coming from the water meter itself. It looks like this. Actually, this is a ground cable. You ground it, and these two have to be connected over here. But as you can see, the cable is just 50-60 centimeters. So we already run new cables coming from a tank to this part. So we also have this Victron battery monitor that just use one connection like this. It comes with the monitor itself and a shunt, so it's very easy. But we run this cable through the wall up to the cabinet. What we also have is this shut-off valve for LPG bottle.
Yeah, I wanted to have that.
Yes.
Just for
so
safety.
That's what we did. You have a switch. This switch from Truma. You will see you need power, positive and negative cable. We run the cable from the battery to this, but we have the bottle in the back, and this cable is not long enough, so we ran another cable, 3-core cable, that's coming from the back all the way over the roof to here. So when we go to sleep, we just switch this off and we're good.
But the most important part of the electricity is here at the back.
Yep. So we have a lot of cables. This is coming out. No problem. We have a lot of cables over here. This one is the cable from our hookup. We have a yellow one, so it's easy to recognize. All the blue ones are 230 volts, so really easy to see.
Recognize.
Yes, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna build this.
The box.
This is what you see normal in your house, but I made some modifications. As you can see, this is everything from 12 volt. So what I did, I bought 2 of them. I'm gonna use all of this almost. I'm gonna have everything separated from each other, so I like everything organized. We have one switch for the solar panels. The cable is here, comes from here, goes to our MPPT charge controller, and then goes to this switch. We will have double sockets in the van, and we're gonna use 230 volts coming from the hookup and 230 volts coming from the inverter. So when we are using the inverter, these switches will be live, and we are in hookup, this will be live. So really easy. So what I mean with this, we have 2 Arctic Blue cables. One is from the inverter and the other one is from the hookup. So we will have double sockets. The one above is a 230 from the inverter, and the other one will be the one from the hookup. So really easy, we just switch it, everything is safe and really good. When this is installed, it will be, it's quite heavy, but somewhere over here. And
everything is safe away behind the door.
All of these cables will be installed in just one box. Nice and clean. I don't want to see any cables visible over here, so I have a plan to do that. And you will see that in
coming videos.
Yeah, the second part of the electrical. So that's it for the wiring. Now I'm gonna run that last cable through the roof. For that I'm using this scan strut. I use it for all the lights, the LED bar in front, the 2 backlights. It's really easy. So let's start this project.